Okay, dear students, good morning. In the last class, we have discussed law of relative proportions and law of returns to scale. We have discussed there are three stages in the law of returns to scale: increasing returns to scale, constant returns to scale, and diminishing or decreasing returns to scale. We have discussed. In this class, we are going to discuss the concept is costs or cons. In that cons, we are going to discuss the topic is short-term cost. Short-term cost. Before going to discuss the short-term cost, we have to know what do you mean by costs. See, in order to produce output, the firm has to employ the inputs, but given level of output typically can be produced in many ways. The output is going, we are going to produce in many different ways. There can be more than one input combinations. We are using more than one input combination with which the firm can produce desired level of output. With the help of easily we can produce the output. In table what we have discussed in the last classes, table 3.1, we have discussed that is we see that table output can 50 units of output can be produced by three combinations, three ways. There are different input combinations like labor 6 and the capital 3. Then labor 4 and capital 4. Then labor 6 and capital 6. We have discussed in that last class what we have discussed. Table number 3.1. We have discussed the output of 50 output we can produce in three ways. That is L6, labor 6 and capital 3. That means labor 6 units, then capital 3 units, then labor 4 units and capital 4 units, then labor 3 units and capital 6 units. Then the question is which input combination will best for the production process. The firm which input combination it will be chooses. On the what basis the firm or producers will choose. What is the basis? We have to know what basis they have choose the input combinations. See, with the input prices, on the basis of price, the firm will choose the input combinations. Will choose the combinations which is the least expensive. Which is there are many input combinations are there. In that combinations, the firms or producers will prefer which is the best or which is the least expensive combination. Then that only they will select for the production process. So for every level of output, the firm chooses least cost input combination. Thus, the cost function describes the least cost of producing each level of output. That's why for given price of factors of production and technology. Understood? The firms and producers will select the least cost combination, which is there are many production techniques are there. In that production techniques, the firms or producers will choose or will select which is the least one. They will prefer. In that cost, we are going to discuss the Cobb-Douglas production function. They will ask for a multiple choice question. What is the formula to calculate the Cobb-Douglas production function? See, Q is equal to x1 alpha and x2 beta. This is the Cobb-Douglas production function. Q is equal to x1 alpha and x2 beta. See, that is very alpha and beta are a constant. Alpha and beta are constant. The firm produces Q amount of output. The firm produces Q amount of output using x1 amount of factor 1 and x2 amount of factor 2. This is called as Cobb-Douglas production function. See, is the formula for of the glass production function. Q is equal to x1 alpha and x2 beta. See, both alpha and beta here constant. Both alpha and beta constant. The firm produces Q amount of output using x1 amount of factor 1 and x2 amount of factor 2. This is called as the glass production function. Okay. See, then another concept we are going to discuss: shortened cost. There are many types are there in the shortened cost. See, total fixed cost TFC, TBC, TC, AFC, ABC, SAC, and SMC. See, first we have to know TFC, total fixed cost, TVC, total variable cost, TC, total cost, then AFC, average fixed cost, then ABC, average variable cost, then SAC, short-term average cost, then SMC, short-term marginal cost. These are the short-term costs. We will ask for 2 marks question. Write what are the types of short-term cost. Then you have to write these types: TFC, TVC, TC, SAC, ABC, AFC, and SLC. Okay. First, we have to know. Okay, that is what do you mean by short run and long run? We are already discussed in the last class. See, the short run means some of the factors of production cannot be varied. Some of the factors of production cannot be varied. See, in the long run, all the factors of production are changing, are varying. We have discussed. Therefore, remain fixed. In the short run, all the factors of production cannot be varied. Remain fixed. See, the cost that is forming equals to apply. What these fixed inputs are called total fixed cost. TFC. TFC means the cost that a firm incurs to employ these fixed inputs is called total fixed cost. Whatever the amount of output the firm produces, the cost remains fixed for the firm. For the production process, TFC is fixed. We can do the production or we do not do the production. We have to pay the fixed cost. With the production or without the production, we have to pay the fixed cost. That is called as total fixed cost. To produce any required level of output in the firm short run and adjust only variable inputs. Accordingly, the cost of the firm's incurs to employ these variable inputs is called as total variable cost. TVC. See, if output increases, total variable cost also increases. In order to increase the output, the total variable cost will be varying or changing. That is called as what? Total variable cost. See, the firm the cost of the firm because we employ this variable inputs is called as total variable cost. See, this is the total fixed cost. Already I told you. Now production modeling, building, right? With the production or without the production, we have to pay the total fixed cost. For example, we have to pay the. For example, we have a firm or factory in our own or rented. Rented, we are not doing any production. Production in that time. That's why we need to pay some fixed what cost like electricity bill, water charges, rent, then wages for the laborers. Our wages are nothing but salary we have to pay. These are the examples for a fixed cost. That's why this is constant for every level of output. Then, if output increases, the total variable cost also increases. Understood? That's why this is changing. Then another one is this is TC. TC means total cost. See, we have discussed total fixed cost and total variable cost. Then TC. How can we calculate TC? The sum of total fixed cost and the total variable cost. Understood? That means TC is equal to TFC plus TVC. The sum of, how can we calculate TC? Total cost means TFC, total fixed cost plus total variable cost is equal to total cost. In order to increase the production output of the firm must to employ the more and more of variable inputs. That's why the variable cost and total cost will increase. That's why therefore the output increases, total variable cost also increases, then total cost also increases. In order to increase the more output, the firm has to apply the more total variable cost, then total fixed cost also increases. That's why total cost will be increases. Without the total cost or without the cost, we can't do any production. That is TC. Then the table number 3.3. This is the table number 3.3. Understood? This is the table number 3.3. With the table number 3.3, we are going to discuss the short-term cost. See, we are already discussed TFC, TVC, and TC. See, then see that table number 3.3 we have example cost function of a typical. For the first column shows the different levels of output. Different already told different levels of output. Then total fixed cost is told how much? 20 rupees for all the production process or all the output. Then total variable cost as output increases. See, if output increases, total variable cost also increases. Then another one is that is total variable. Then output is 0. TVC is 0. Then for 1 unit of output, see the TVC is 10. Then for 2 units of output, TVC is 18 and so on. See, if output increases, total variable cost also increases. Then, understood? Then we obtain the output. See, how can we calculate TC? I told you. See, TC is equal to sum of total fixed cost and the total variable cost. See, 20 plus 0, 20 is fixed cost. And that's right. 20 plus 10, 30, 20 plus 18, 38, like that, we will calculate total cost. Understood? Then short run average cost, SAC, or first line by line discuss AFC. How can we calculate AFC? AFC, average fixed cost. See, we are already discussed TFC, TVC and TC. Then AFC, average fixed cost. You know what is the formula to calculate AFC? That is AFC is equal to TFC divided by Q. TFC divided by Q. AFC is equal to TFC divided by Q. AFC is the means AFC average fixed cost means the per unit of fixed cost of production is called as average fixed cost. What AFC means? The per unit of fixed cost of production is called as AFC. See, that is called as average fixed cost. See, how can we calculate the total fixed cost divided by Q or output? We will divide by what we are getting average fixed cost. See, that is the AFC column. By dividing the values of second column. See, second column by the corresponding values of the first column, we get the what values of first column. So, the zero level of output of AFC and AFC are undefined. Then the first unit of AFC is 20 and AFC is how much? 10. See, that is AFC. AFC, see, TFC divided by Q. For example, 20, sorry, ಇದು 0 ಆಗಿರೋ output the undefined AFC, then 20 divided by 1, 20, 20 divided by 2, 10, 20 divided by 3, 6.67. Like that, we will calculate the average fixed cost. Then, average variable cost. How can we calculate the average variable cost? See, that is total variable cost per unit of output. Total variable cost per unit of output is called as average variable cost. Total variable cost per unit of output is called as average variable cost. See, how can we calculate ABCD is equal to PVC divided by Q. This is the formula to calculate the average variable cost. Understood? How can we calculate ABC? PVC divided by Q. See, this is the values of our total variable cost. PVC divided by 10 divided by 1, 10, 18 divided by 2, 9, 24 divided by 3, 8, 29 divided by 4, 7.25. Like that, we will calculate average variable cost. Then another one is SAC, short run average cost. Short run average cost means firm short-term average cost incurred by the firm is defined as total cost per unit of output. Total cost per unit of output is called as short-term average cost. Total cost per unit of output. Total cost per unit of output is called as short-term average cost. See, that is how can we calculate the short-term average cost? SAC is equal to short-term average cost is equal to TC divided by Q. TC divided by Q. Short-term average cost is equal to TC divided by Q. See, this is the TC. Then column number 4 divided by column number first. Then only we are getting short-term average cost. See, there are two methods are there in order to calculate the SAC. First one is TC divided by column number first or column number 4 divided by column number first. See, this is the values of TC. 20 that is undefined. See, 30 divided by 1, 30, 38 divided by 2,